Hey, it's Pat with Master Building Inspectors, 937-565-4483. You see here we are in the process of doing a mold test. I want to encourage you, tell you a little bit about those. Very simply, when we do mold tests, we take two samples inside the home, one outside the home. The one outside the home is what's considered a control. That control helps us to identify what is actually in the home or not in the home. I'd also encourage you, when you talk about air quality, that we would consider looking at radon as well. You realize the two together really make a difference in how well we are able to breathe. Radon's the #2 cause of lung cancer in America today. With that said, let me encourage you, it's Pat Bruce with Master Building Inspectors. Checking out 937-565-4483. Give us a call, schedule, ask any questions that you'd like. If you'd like to check us out online, make sure you do so at masterbuildinginspectors.com.